Today, Troy University's Why I Left Leadership Forum got the chance to explore different career paths that are available based on their personal interests.
We have career exploration to kind of learn about different careers that are out there. We have different activities to help them gain knowledge and skills to improve their independent living, their self-advocacy.
The forum, which is for students with disabilities in grades 11 through 12, held this session in order to educate students about the workforce, including information on taxes. Why I Left not only benefits delegates who participate, many Troy University student staff members say that this is a learning experience for everyone who helps out.
It's in our major, so it helps get us hands-on experience with people. Actually, I haven't ever worked with anybody with a disability or anything, and so it's actually better than reading from textbook, oh hi, this is how you're supposed to do this and that. It's better to get hands-on and actually talk with people.
I think it's super important for our campus to have these kind of people because we learn from them so much. Like, I've already learned so much from them. I think it's so great that Troy University hosts this because it shows that Troy cares, they don't discriminate, and they're giving back to the community and the state as a whole.